Adverbs of manner are words that describe how an action happens or how someone does something. They answer the question how. For example, in the phrase she runs quickly, the word quickly tells us how she runs. Adverbs of manner explain the way in which an action takes place. They tell us how an action is done. For example, if you run quickly, quickly is the adverb telling us how you run. These words help us understand the action more clearly. Here are some common examples of adverbs of manner. Quickly means fast, slowly means not fast, carefully means with attention, badly means in a poor way, well means in a good way. These words all tell us how something is done. The word quickly tells us that an action is done at a fast speed. For example, she ran quickly to catch the bus. He answered the question quickly. You can finish your work quickly if you focus. Quickly means fast and tells us how actions happen. Slowly means to do something at a low speed or carefully. He walked slowly down the street. She spoke slowly and clearly. The turtle moves slowly. When we say slowly, we understand the action takes more time or is done with care. Carefully means to do something with attention and care. She carefully lifted the fragile vase. He carefully planned his trip. Please carefully read the instructions before starting. Using carefully tells us the action is done with thought and caution. Badly means to do something in a poor or wrong way. She sings badly. He performed badly in the exam. The team played badly today. When we say badly, we mean the action was not done well or correctly. There are many other adverbs of manner. Some examples are happily, angrily, gracefully, neatly, loudly, softly, bravely, carelessly, quietly, gently, rapidly, seriously, and politely. These words describe how an action happens and add more detail to our sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.